So, hello fellow coin collectors, how you going today? My name is Glenn, and today I have these 3 coins from the Soviet Union. Now, how can you tell that they are from the Soviet Union? Well, quite easily actually. See how you have this coat of arms up here? That is called the hammer and sickle, and is actually the coat of arms of the Soviet Union. And also you have your SSSR, which looks like a CCCP, and that is the name in Russian, or the abbreviation. And down below we have 1 ruble. And so this is actually worth 1 ruble, which back during the 70s when this was issued was roughly equal to $1. So these coins are made out of copper, nickel, zinc. Most of it's probably copper. There's probably a little bit of zinc in there. They are 12.8 grams of metal, 31 millimeters in diameter, which is from there to there, and the thickness is 2.3 millimeters. Now on the side of all these coins it has in Russian 1 ruble, which all these commemorative coins actually have. So these are the reverses of the coins because they don't have the coat of arms on them. And they are 3 dates, 1977. So this one actually has the symbol used for the 1980 Moscow Olympics, the 22nd. And that just says Games of the Olympiad Moscow 1980. So it's a coat of arms. On the 1978 issue, it actually has a Kremlin. So this is a Kremlin, which is the Russian Parliament, and here is the coat of arms. Now, you can actually get an error of this one in that the 4 is actually reversed. So instead of actually having the 4 in this direction, you actually have it in that direction. So when you look at the clock, it looks like it says 656 instead of 456. And that is the error that you can find for that coin. Okay, so the next 2 issues are actually both 1979. The top one has the Moscow University. So nicely designed actually, nicely executed as well, as it's sort of 3-dimensional. And this one actually has the monument. So this is a monument. It has a Russian rocket, and this is supposed to be like the flames and the smoke going from the ground to the rocket. And this is Sputnik up here. It was actually the first man-made object in space satellite. And this is Soyuz. So this is one of the earlier space stations. It's no longer in the outer space. It actually burnt to the ground a long time ago. And in the background we just have stars. And the twinkling is actually caused by the atmosphere, the Earth's atmosphere, doing funny things to the actual light, the photons. So, what are the mintages? Well, this coin has 8,665,000. This coin has 6.48 million. And both of these ones have 4.665 million coins. So they're pretty high. They have a high mintage, which is pretty normal with communist coinage. They generally have a high mintage, unlike coins from the United States or Australia. I'm talking about commemorative coins, which generally have a low mintage of in the thousands. Generally in Australia it's usually about 30 or 40,000. So if you have a look at that, the clock says, this one just says 456, so that's just a normal issue. And know, these, do they actually look proof to you? I'm not too sure how the Soviet Union actually made the proof coins, but they look pretty high standard to me. They could just be uncirculated, but I'm not too sure. So if you collect Soviet coins, I would like to know if there's actually proof. Cool. So those are 1 ruble coins to celebrate the 1980 Moscow Games, which a lot of countries actually boycotted because of their involvement in Afghanistan at the time. So, thank you very much for watching. If you like Soviet coins, please give this video a thumbs up. And have an awesome coin collecting time, people. Bye bye.